Let's move on to one of the very important parts of the house, which is the bedroom.
Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome to a vocabulary song I made just for you. So, I hope you really enjoy it, and let's go to the lesson. The bedroom. Bedside table. Paintings. Dresser. Closet. Pillows. Desk. Living room. Armchair. Sofa or couch. Love seat. Let's go.
So this is the bedroom. We have a bed, we have a bed table, we have bed lamps, and all throughout this house, what you will see are paintings. In this case, these are watercolors, which, by the way, these were painted by my mother. Yes, she's an artist. Just like your English teacher playing music, my mother is a painter. Now, this here, where we put our clothes, that is called a dresser. A dresser. Yeah, so that's very important to know that people put their clothes in a dresser. They also put their clothes in what we call a closet. A closet. Now, careful, because many people, you put clothes in this place, but we don't say closet. No, we say closet. So be careful of that one. We have pillows on the bed, and we also have a footrest. We have a desk. Let's go to the next one. We also have what we call the laundry room. Laundry room. And we have a washing machine and a dryer. A dryer. Yes. We also, for some reason in here, have a teddy bear. Hello. Now, as I said before, garage, and there is a door which goes to the inside part of the garage. So here's the inside part of the garage. Easy peasy. And here we have the living room. Living room. And it's a nice place for us to chill out. What do we have? We have an armchair. Another armchair. We have a sofa. You could also say couch.
Coach.
Couch. This one here is a particular sofa. This is a little sofa. It's called a love seat. Love seat. Yes. Do you love the love seat? Yes.
Okay, everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. We have our third part coming next, so you stay tuned for that. And I'm going to make a vocabulary quiz for this video, and I'll send you the link for that below this video when it's ready. You can do that on your PC, you can do that on your phone, whatever you want. And if you would like to join me on my social networks, you can click below this video. You can watch more of my videos here. You can subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Bye, everybody.